Unraveling the Phrase Adjust. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the word adjust. It's a common term, but do you know all its meanings and how to use it in various contexts? Let's find out. Adjust primarily means to change something slightly in order to make it more suitable or appropriate. Think of it as tweaking or fine-tuning something. For example, I need to adjust the straps on this backpack. They're too tight. Can you adjust the volume? It's a bit too loud. The beauty of the word adjust is its versatility. Let's explore its different meanings in varied contexts. 1. Physical settings or devices, often used when talking about changing the settings on a device. 2. Please adjust the thermostat. It's getting chilly in here. 3. Situations or attitudes. It can refer to becoming accustomed to a new environment or situation. 4. It took me a few months to adjust to living in a new country. 5. Financial contexts. It can mean making corrections or amendments, especially in accounting or financial terms. 6. We need to adjust our budget after that unexpected expense. 7. Clothing and fashion. To alter clothing to fit better. 8. I had to adjust the length of this dress. It was too long. There are a few phrases and idioms that feature our word of the day. 1. Adjust to means to become accustomed to a new environment or situation. 2. She quickly adjusted to the pace of city life. 3. Adjust one's sails, an idiom that means to adapt to new situations. It originates from the idea of changing the position of sails on a boat to cope with changing wind directions. 4. When the project didn't go as planned, the team adjusted their sails and found a new approach. 5. Make adjustments refers to making changes or modifications to something. 6. The coach decided to make adjustments to the team's strategy during halftime. And that's a wrap on adjust. Remember, language is all about context. And while adjust may have a basic meaning, it can be used in various situations. We hope this video has enlightened you and will help you use adjust more confidently in your daily English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!